Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making no bake raspberry cheesecake. Very delicious and easy to make with very few ingredients. So stick around and let's prepare some desserts. So in this bowl I have cream cheese, which is at room temperature for easy mixing. I'm going to add a few drops of vanilla extract. So I'm going to whip this until it is soft and spreadable and smooth. Then I'm going to add half can of sweetened condensed milk into the cream cheese mixture, and I'm going to whip it again until it's well incorporated. You can do this by hand as well, either hand mixer or a whisk to really cream everything, or a spatula as well. So I'm going to whip this again for it to be well mixed. Then we're going to add our raspberry jam. I'm using a store-bought one. You can use homemade or even a homemade from fresh strawberry, which has been really cooked down. So very the raspberry sauce should work. Any other preserve of your favorite fruits will also work. Blueberry, strawberry, any fruits you can use for this purpose. So I've just added the raspberry jam. I'm just mixing it, but not to mix it all into uniform. I want some traces of raspberry in it. And our secret is this ice bowl tray that I'm going to use. It makes it easy to pop out, and it takes the shape and making it more presentable. So I'm going to divide it into this contain mold, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator or freezer whilst I make the crust to go over it. For the crust, we're going to use just 3 ingredients. We're going to use melted butter, we're going to use crushed crumb crackers, and a touch of sugar for some sweetness. This is a very small quantity, so I'm just going to put them in this bag and just beat it with the wooden spoon, rolling pin, and until it's well crushed. And I'm going to add the sugar, and I'm going to mix up the butter, the melted butter, and mix everything for it to look like a sun crumbs. So we really want it to be that first wet sand, so it will stick to the surface of the filling, and also when we are unmolding, it will not spread around easily. And this is the end of our cheesecake. I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 5 hours or overnight. Then when we come back, we'll see how it turned out. And this is simple, about 20 minutes it is ready. It's been outside for about 10 minutes, so you can serve this as well. And it can go with any sauce that you want to go with as well. So I'm just putting it garnished with fresh raspberries, and our no-bake cheesecake is ready. Very simple, but very delicious. Very, very delicious. I hope you guys will give it a try. And if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know which fruit you would like to use when you are trying this recipe as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.